This is the marble. It's not a cherry or candy. This is paper marble. I teach you this, how to do this. You need a small paper. Tuloy, tatanggalan. Tanggal. You need the paper, small paper, and scissor, pencil, and cut the paper, and cut all the shape. Cut. I cannot do this. I have no paper anymore for this. I teach you how to do this. This marble. You need to cut this. You need a shuriken and cut this 4 points. You need to cut. You need to 4 shuriken and cut this point. You finish the point. You need a crane. It's not a flapping crane. This is a crane. You need crane and cut the wings and tail and head. You need a blue.